Today we're installing a 6-piece wind deflector set on a Range Rover Evoque. The process is simple, requires no special tools and should take around 15 to 20 minutes. Before you start, make sure the car is clean and dry. Wind deflectors stick using double tape, so the surfaces must be free of dirt, moisture or grease. Use an alcohol wipe or mild cleaner to clean the top edge of the door frame and the plastic trim where the deflectors will stick. Allow the area to dry completely. Lay out all 6 deflectors and match each one to its location on the car. The longest pieces are for the front doors, the medium-sized pieces for the rear doors, and the 2 small ones for the rear quarter windows. We'll start with the front doors. These usually have the longest deflectors and set the alignment for the rest. Peel back about 10 to 15 centimeters of the red 3M tape backing from each end of the deflector. Do not remove the whole strip yet. Position the deflector at the top corner of the door frame. Make sure it follows the contour smoothly. Once aligned, lightly press the exposed tape sections to hold it in place. Slowly pull the remaining red tape backing out while applying firm pressure along the entire length of the deflector. Once fully attached, run your fingers firmly along the edge to secure adhesion. Next, we install the rear door pieces. The process is exactly the same. Repeat all the same steps. These final 2 pieces sit on the fixed rear quarter panels. Positioning is key to make them look clean and symmetrical. Avoid washing the car for at least 24 hours to allow the adhesive to bond fully. Your 6-piece wind deflector set is now fully installed on your Range Rover Evoque. You should now have reduced wind noise, better ventilation during rain, and a more refined exterior look. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe and follow for more automotive installation guides.